In this video, you'll learn how to edit a dataset in EasyMate, so your AI app can store accurate, up-to-date information and give the right answers every time. A dataset is like a spreadsheet. Each column stores one kind of information. For example, in a customer portal, your dataset might store customer profiles and their past orders. Let's say you want to collect your customer's date of birth, so you can send them a gift on their special day. Start by clicking on Customer Profiles in your dashboard. Then click the three dots and choose Configure Fields. On the left, you'll see all the current information being collected. Click Add a new field. Choose the Date field type. Name the field Date of Birth. If you want this to be required, toggle the switch to On. Since we're collecting a birthday, turn Allow Future Dates off. You don't want customers born in 2050. Click Save Field, and you're done. Scroll to the right. You'll see a new column called Date of Birth added to the customer profile dataset. That's it, simple and done. Next, let's learn how to add a new dataset. Let's say you want to store office addresses for your customers, and some customers have more than one location. Instead of adding this info directly to the customer profile, we'll create a new dataset to hold all the different addresses. Click Add in the top right corner. Give your dataset a name and description. For example, Customer Locations. Click into your new dataset to open it. Click the three dots in the top right and choose Configure Fields. Now click Add New Field. We'll start by adding a street address. Set the field type to text. Mark it as required by sliding the toggle to the right, then click Save Field. Repeat this for state and zip code, also as text fields. Next, we'll link each address to the right customer. Click Add New Field again and choose Relationship as the field type. For target data, select Customer Profiles. That's the dataset you want to link to. Because one customer can have multiple addresses, we'll choose Many to One, meaning many addresses in this dataset can connect to one customer in the customer profiles. Now choose which customer info to display, like their company name, so it's clear which address belongs to whom. Click Save Field, and you're done! Now let's add a sample address so you can see how everything works. Click Add to create a new entry. Fill in the address details, like street, state, and zip code. When you click on Customer Profiles, you'll notice something cool. Because we linked this dataset to your customer profiles, it automatically pulls the company name from that dataset. Select the right customer, then click Save. You've just linked this address to that customer. No manual work needed, and no risk of mismatched or duplicate data. Now, let's switch over to the Customer Profiles dataset. Remember how we added an address for Brightspace? Because the two datasets are linked, a Customer Locations column was automatically added, and you'll see the new address already populated there. It's all connected, so your data stays organized and accurate, with zero extra effort. In this video, you learned how to create new datasets, add custom fields, and link datasets together, so your AI app stays accurate, organized, and ready to serve your customers.